Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Mine here is in Backgrounds. Drag and drop abstract background number 27, connect to the media out and group. Line up all tools to the grid. Arrange tools to the grid when to snap like this. And you can see we have two rectangle. This is for the animation. When you press number 2 on the back on the keyboard here, you see the animation. To change the resolution, you can do it in the background here. Mine is 50-50. You can increase, decrease. Then is go inside the particle emitter. Particle emitter, I reduce the number all the way to 0.1. And lifespan is the same, 240, same as this rectangle animation, 240. You will see like that. And I use velocity variance, smaller rotation, and a spin. Here in the style tab, I use the bitmap, of course, to use the background, and particle edge to make the animation, and played a little with the color variance. When you move, I will show you when you click on media out and press number 2 on the keyboard. Here in particle emitter you can choose the different color. Now you have the pink, or you can have a green. Just change these sliders, and size, and a little bit size variance. Then in the region I use the cube. You can increase and decrease the area of these cubes where they spawn. Camera is animated to spin. And I use in the spline. When you see here, I use the loop, so it's looping all the time, it's circling around 360 degrees. Then everything go inside the particle renderer, and the render 3D. I use the software renderer and the resolution, auto resolution, and a little bit of touch of glow, and basically that's it. Please give it a like, comment, and share the video. It really helps a lot. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.